Are you confused about which bobbin to use in your vintage or modern sewing machine? In this video, I will go over the most common bobbins used. Singer Featherweight and 301 bobbin. The height of this bobbin is narrow compared to the next common bobbin size, which is a class 15. This darker color metal bobbin is an original vintage bobbin. The bobbin class 15 comes in metal and plastic. It is recommended to use a metal bobbin in a front loader and a plastic bobbin in a top loader. Do not get the class 15 confused with the class 15J. It is almost identical, except the 15J has a very slight curve on the top and bottom, which is almost undetectable. This is a class 66 bobbin, which fits a vintage Singer. This bobbin has a slight curve like the 15J, but is much more noticeable. 1970 Singers have three unique bobbins. The first bobbin is the Touch and Sew. This Singer bobbin has a unique feature to remove the thread. Gently unscrew to remove your thread and screw back together. The second is the Centaur. This bobbin has two black rings, metal center hub, and does not unscrew. The Futura bobbin has two black rings, no center metal hub, and also does not unscrew. The Class L bobbin is compatible with vintage Husqvarna machines. The height of the bobbin is narrow and it is solid on the top and bottom. More modern Husqvarna Vikings, also known as Vikings, use a Viking plastic bobbin with a greenish tint. The vintage Pfaff bobbin is narrow in height and has a slight bluish tint. The modern Pfaff bobbin has a purple tint. Some modern Pfaff models use a class 15 bobbin. Check your user's manual. The metal Elna bobbin looks like the class 66 bobbin for Singers, but has holes on one side and solid on the other. The Bernina bobbin looks like a class 15, but has a knurled center hub. In the description box below, I have included links to help you find the perfect bobbin for your machine.